On Sunday, Russia carried out a counter-terrorism operation in the southern region of Dagestan, resulting in the detention of 3 individuals, as reported by the National Anti-Terrorism Committee. The operation comes amid heightened security measures in Russia following a devastating mass shooting at a concert hall in Moscow on March 22nd, which claimed the lives of at least 144 people, marking the deadliest attack in the country in 2 decades. Security agencies detained 3 bandits who were planning a number of terrorist offences. During the inspection of the places where the criminals were detained, automatic weapons, ammunition, and an improvised explosive device ready for use were found, the committee said on Sunday. Previously, the committee reported that suspected criminals had been cornered by security forces in several residential flats in the regional capital of Makhachkala and in Kaspisk, one of the largest cities in the republic. Fortunately, there were no civilian casualties and law enforcement personnel suffered no losses. Makhachkala Mayor Yusuf Umavov announced that the counter-terrorism operation regime in both Makhachkala and Kaspisk was lifted at 12:00 local time. On March 22, Russia witnessed its deadliest attack in decades. Assailants with guns and incendiary devices stormed Crocus City Hall moments before a concert was to be held. At least 143 people were killed in the attack. ISIS was quick to claim the responsibility for the attack. Earlier this week, 4 arrested suspects appeared in court facing terror charges. They had visible signs of injury. Of them, 3 pleaded guilty, according to Russian media. All 4 suspects were from Tajikistan and were working in Russia on temporary or expired visas. Tajikistan is a member of the Russian-led security bloc and hosts a Russian military base. The US had also warned Russia about ISIS militants' plans of an attack, despite the relations between the 2 countries being at historic low. Earlier in March, the US Embassy had warned of an increased threat of terror attacks on Russia, with National Security Council spokesperson Adrienne Watson saying that US had shared this information with Russian authorities under the duty to warn policy. President Vladimir Putin had, however, dismissed the American warnings as provocative just days before the concert hall attack.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.